Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you how to solve a passage easily because passage is a very crucial part of a language और हर पेपर में passage आता ही आता है 10 marks 5 marks and you can contains easily 10 marks 15 marks, so it is very crucial and you should know how to solve passage. So first of all, what is the easy method to solve a passage? So first of all, read the questions. First of all, read the questions and key points को पकड़ो. After that, move to the passage. So first question is, what does Benjamin Franklin's quote, time is money? So time is money, हमें ये ध्यान रखना है. Next one, how can distraction impact time management? सो टाइम मैनेजमेंट को कैसे इम्पैक्ट करता है डिस्ट्रैक्शन. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज़ एन इफेक्टिव वे टू मैनेज टाइम? हम टाइम को मैनेज कैसे कर सकते हैं, इफेक्टिव वे बताना है. नेक्स्ट इज, व्हाट इज़ वन मेजर बेनिफिट ऑफ टाइम मैनेजमेंट? टाइम मैनेजमेंट का एक मेजर बेनिफिट क्या है. नेक्स्ट इज, व्हाट डज अंडरस्टैंडिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ टाइम इनकरेज? सो move to the paragraph. So read the paragraph carefully. Time is an invaluable resource that once lost can never be regained. Throughout history, successful individuals have emphasized the importance of time management. Benjamin Franklin once said, time is money, highlighting that wasting time equates to losing potential earnings. So you got the first answer. Efficient using of time allows individuals to achieve their goals, while procrastination can lead to missed opportunities and regret. So there are only, I want to tell you one thing, there are only 5 questions, but sometimes you may get 10 questions. Okay, so sometimes ask synonyms and antonym of the words, so be careful. Next paragraph is, in today's fast-paced world, distractions are abundant. Social media, television, and other forms of entertainment can consume significant amounts of time. If not managed properly, it is essential to prioritize tasks and focus on activities that contribute to personal and professional growth. By setting clear goals and adhering to a structured schedule, one can make the most the limited time available. Moreover, understanding the value of time fosters discipline and responsibility. It encourages individuals to be punctual, meet deadlines, and respect others' time. In essence, time management is not just about increasing productivity, but also about leading a balanced and fulfilling life. So, move to the questions. So, first question is, what does Benjamin Franklin's quote, time is money? So answer is B. Time should not be wasted. It is a valuable like money. Next question, how can distraction impact the time management? So answer is C. They consume significant time and reduce productivity. So third question is, what is an effective way to manage time? So B is the correct answer. What is one major benefit of time management? So fourth one, answer C is correct, leading a balanced and fulfilling life. Question number 5, what does understanding the value of time encourage? So last but not least, answer B is correct, discipline, punctuality and respect for time.